go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture.
Every small progress wins. Gusto kong malaman nyo na kahit na konti lang yung increments ng training, win pa rin yun. For example, consistency. I don't feel like working out today, but pinilit ko na lang kasi para hindi masira yung structure ng program ko. So gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo this weight. This was the last attempt that I did sa PAP nung last February, pero ngayon nire-rep ko na lang siya and it's a progress. Grabe, yun lang. Just wanna open this with that kind of so welcome to the 4th week of my training block.
I won't stop till I hear him say yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast.
I can't make sure malalim yun ditong angle eh. So walang cheat. Tignan natin. Pinos ko, it was a depth. So accessories, front squats, the one that I hate, but the one that I need.
You're never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
And we are home, sweet home. Buti na lang mabait yung nagbabantay kanina. I was able to do the accessories that I need to do. Going back sa sinabi ko kanina, little things matter. Being consistent kahit na tinatamad ka. For example, yung plano is to work out on Monday and then you skipped it, you push it to Tuesday. Pwede naman yun. Pero mas maganda kung mag-stick ka to the plan. Kasi once you step in the gym, kahit na tinatamad ka, hindi ka tatamarin. It's gonna turn out to be like the best workout that you had that happened earlier. And little things, you know, matter. Yung example ko nga kanina, yung last attempt ko sa squat when I joined PHPL last February. Grabe, siniset ko na lang ngayon, nire-rep ko na lang ngayon. So yun yung progress na nagagawa ng sticking to the plan. So I'm just gonna leave you with that. Yung last dance out dito sa gym kahit na ganito na ako. So not gonna lie, this is what I feel now. Super weak na basa nyo. Tignan natin sa last warm up if kakayanin ba natin yung gagawin natin today. Kapag mga ganito na hindi ka sure if kakayanin mo ba yung top set mo, pahinga ka ng 5 minutes. Ang problema nga lang, eto na naman tayo eh, mag-close na naman yung gym. Ako na naman si taga-close ng gym. Pero, let's see. Top set. 145 kg. 3 max. 3 reps. See you after 5 minutes.
Okay, so nag-overshoot pala ako dito sa particular set na to. Akala ko 145 yung binubuhat ko pero it turns out 150 pala siya. I was supposed to do 3 reps on this for 145, pero since 150 siya, 2 reps lang yung nagawa ko. Hindi ko na figure out the whole time na nag-overshoot ako, so failed.
Hindi ko na kaya yan. That was supposed to be 3 rep max. Nagawa ko to last time pero feeling ko malalim eh. Let's just check out. Sa mga ganitong situation, kapag nag-undershoot ka, di mo nagawa yung 3 rep max mo, kailangan mong back up sets. So magba-back up sets ako ng 315. 3 reps din. Week 4 of failure. Sa totoo lang, sobrang nakaka-disappoint yung performance kanina. First week nakuha ko yun, pero I feel that nininail ko yung technique ngayon, kaya nag-fail ako. Naramdaman ko na sobrang hindi siya ganun kalalim. Tinry kong laliman yung 4th rep ko, tapos nag-fail ako. So medyo disappointing kasi may deal ako sa sarili ko na hindi ako dapat mag-fail sa squat. The last time that I would fail is prep ko dati pa puntang PAP. Supposedly gagawin ko ngayon is squat and deadlifts, pero syempre hindi umabot sa time kasi pa-close na yung gym. Isingit ko yung deadlifts ko with my bench tomorrow. That's it for today. Uwi na ako. Wala na akong gagawin yung accessories kasi I feel like this is not the best day for me. Kaya ayun, let's go home, regroup, and then come back stronger tomorrow. Good night. Isasabay ko ngayon bench and deadlift. I still got plenty of time, kaya pwede ko siyang isabay. Na-miss ko yung deadlift kahapon. Supposedly squat and deadlift, pero gagawin ko ngayon. Do not miss deadlift ng sobrang tagal na days. Dapat habulin mo siya para hindi mawala yung momentum ng strength gain mo. So let's go warm up. Last warm up, 65 kg. Hopefully RPE 6 or 5.5. Let's see. I don't know what to tell you. Mabilis yun. I think we're good to go today. Let's go. Bago ako mag-set today, kwento ko lang yung nangyari kahapon. Nag-overshoot pala ako sa squat. So nag-drama pa ako kasi dalawa lang yung nakuha ko. I was supposed to do max 3 at 145 kg. Pero nangyari, 150 pala yung na-load ko sa bar. Kakamadali siguro kasi pa-close na yung gym. Tapos naapektuhan yung mental capacity ko to lift the 315 na back of sets, kaya nag-fail ako. Malaki talaga nagagawa nung nung mental barrier, or I don't know what you call that shit. I thought I failed the top set that I'm going to do sa squat kahapon. Kaya parang medyo nanghihina yung load ko nung ginawa ko yung back of set. Kaya ganun. Ito, I made sure na kinalculate ko yung weight para hindi ako mag-overshoot. Magawa ko yung ilang reps dun sa program. So, ganun. I just want to share that with you. Anyway, it's time for set 1 for the bench press. So help me God.
Ice in my veins, years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah.
Grabe, naubos yung energy ko dun kaka self-unrock. Kaya bilib ako sa mga taong kaya mag self-unrock eh. In-adjust ko kasi masyadong mataas. Pag hindi ko naabot yung safety pins, malamang babagsak sa akin yung bar. Pero anyways, we push through. Last 2 sets.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time.
3x3 bench press successful. Let's do deadlifts. Last warm up, grabe kinakabahan ako baka hindi ko kaya ang top set. Ang hirap niya iangat. I-check ko. Sana kayanin ko yung top set.
Won't stop till I hear him say
shit! Parang almost 5 months yata hindi ko binuhat yan. Pero we're back. We're back.